Okay, good morning. Day 18 in Northwood, 29th of March 2021. So, been down to the Builders Merchants, got a whole load more timber today. Load of 11mm OSB 3 sheathing and 4x2s, and picked up a couple of 5x2 just to have a look at the roof, how the roof is going to go together. So, we've got to decide on the exact positioning of the doors and the door width. I'm guessing the door width is going to be 1500 by 2.1 on the height, and obviously we've got a second door here as well, so we've got to decide exactly on the positioning of that. I think it might be further down this way, so I believe he wants to get a 1400 workbench or something in here. So we've just cut the timber here for this middle dividing wall, so we're going to start off on this wall first of all. Get this wall up and running. This is not going to have, this is an internal wall, so it's not going to have any felting or backing on it. It's just going to be a wall that's stood up, and it's going to have an 11mm OSB just on this side, and that's going to finish off. And all these walls here will have 11mm OSB sheet. It'll be sheathed on the inside. This wall here, because that's a conditioned space, the office, we'll have the 11mm OSB this side, and then we'll have 90mm of Kingspan in that side, and then it'll be plasterboard, and that will keep the office nice and warm. Obviously this dogleg section will be insulated as well, and then that will be insulated, and obviously all the external walls. So we're just going to start off building this wall first of all, stand this up, fix it into place. It's going to be 2.4 internal dimensions, so have a reasonable size shed here. 2.4, that's 1900 on the width there. So we're going to start off with that, and then a bit more calculations on the doors, door widths and the heights, and then we're going to build these two up here, and then that will complete the internal. That's the walls then actually completed. So we're going to get cracking, and we'll update you a bit later. Okay, so moved on a little bit now. We've got this wall here built, and I can't remember in the last update video if we had the middle wall built, but anyway, these two walls are built now. We've left a 900 opening, so that's going to be a 762 door. We're just going to have 18mm cedar on each side, door lining which is about 20mm, and then a bit of a gap as well, so to get the door lining in. Got a triple header plate there now, and finished off the crown around there. It's all interlocked now, so the top timber there is going all the way over and locked down into the timbers there, so stop any movement in the building pulling apart. Same with this one. This top timber here is going right over, nailed down, so that's going to stop any movement there. So can't complete the rest of it until top crown, until the front wall's built. So you've got the shed area now, it's been formed, and then you have a bit of the dogleg section for the office. Got a couple of 5x2 joists picked up this morning, which are just laying downwards at the moment. So that's basically where the joists are going to be sitting now at that height. So you have a 2.1 to 150 ceiling. So I'm going to get some lunch now and then construct the front wall, leaving the opening for the French doors, which will be 1500 wide, 2.1 on the heights, 2.1 the opening. Yeah, so that's where we are. Okay, so just finishing up now for the day. As you can see, we've got the side walls up, the sheets, got the door opening formed for the aluminium French doors to go in there, so that's all done. Got the door formed for our entrance to the tool shed, so that's all there ready. The opening is created. We've got our dividing wall up and running, so we've got to clad that with 11mm OSB. All this OSB here is now to clad the inside of the tool shed, so that's there. Probably need a little bit more. We change this around because timber's a lot stronger in this direction. So we've changed this around to make it a stronger beam across there, so because it'll be carrying the roof. So we've changed that around. And generally we're kind of getting there now with the actual structure. So tomorrow, there's our joists, which are 5x2s. We're going to set those all in now tomorrow, create the opening for the roof light. That's the decision needs to be made on that. And yeah, so it's going to be, tomorrow's going to be joisting out and furring pieces to create the slopes in the roof. So that's the update for today. We will see you tomorrow.